Here are 7 foods that can help fight fatty liver disease, especially non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. These foods support liver health by reducing fat buildup, inflammation, and oxidative stress. 1. Fatty fish, e.g., salmon, sardines, mackerel. Why? Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce liver fat and inflammation. Bonus tip: aim for 2 to 3 servings per week. 2. Coffee. Why? Coffee has been shown to lower liver enzymes and reduce liver fibrosis risk in people with fatty liver disease. Bonus tip: 2 to 3 cups per day, black or lightly sweetened, may offer benefits. 3. Green tea. Why? Contains antioxidants, especially catechins, that reduce liver fat and inflammation. Bonus tip: choose unsweetened brewed green tea over bottled versions. 4. Leafy greens, e.g., spinach, kale, arugula. Why? High in fiber and antioxidants, may reduce liver fat accumulation. Bonus tip: add to smoothies, omelets, or salads for a daily dose. 5. Avocados. Why? Rich in healthy fats and glutathione, which helps detoxify the liver and reduce oxidative stress. Bonus tip: use as a spread or topping to replace saturated fats. 6. Nuts, especially walnuts and almonds. Why? Packed with healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamin E, all beneficial for liver health. Bonus tip: a small handful a day is enough, watch portion sizes due to calorie content. 7. Oats. Why? A great source of beta-glucan fiber, which helps reduce cholesterol and improve liver function. Bonus tip: start your day with oatmeal or overnight oats for sustained energy and liver support. Thank you for watching.